Guys, it's Curtis, and in this video, I'm going to unbox the iMac 21.5 inch. So, gonna open it up. And at first, we got a beautiful keyboard designed by Apple in California. Oh, sound effects. Look at that. Oh, is it upside down? Is it? No, okay. No. Keyboard. Burners. So put that there, and then styrofoam blocks, and then the beautiful screen.
Look at that beautiful screen.
That we're going for right here.
Look at that beautiful screen right there.
Wonderful. Get off. Yes, get off. It's not gonna get off. Get off, man. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it goes around there. Okay.
It's adjustable. Oh.
Perfect. It's gonna be adjustable.
Mine's not adjustable.
Well, yours is retarded.
Put that there.
Get this loud ass plastic off. I didn't know there was a disk drive.
In the monitor?
Yeah.
What?
The disk drive's in the side.
There's more plastic over here.
Is it? And then like on the back. Oh, there you go.
Oh shit.
Can you pull that?
Look how beautiful that is. Oh, look how beautiful that is. That is so beautiful. Oh my god. I've never seen something so freaking gorgeous.
Me neither, man. Plug it in. Oh, that was a big zap.
We need your keyboards here.
Okay.
The beautiful keyboard of it. Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Come on, keyboard. Oh, mouse. Okay. Beautiful keyboard.
Such a beautiful keyboard.
Beautiful mouse.
Such a beautiful mouse.
What else is in here? Fingertips.
Apple stickers.
Oh yeah, everybody loves the Apple. Beyond plastic.
No one loves you. Oh yeah.
Oh wait, they're on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well this was like an iMac unboxing, so we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Beautiful.